Hey guys, what up, what's up? I'm about to mash up some brown stew fish in the day, yeah? Yeah, another popular dish that we Jamaicans love, yeah? So you know I have some snapper fish right here, salt out and everything, clean up, wash, scale, gut, yeah? Guys, just dry your fish properly, yeah? For this dish, you want to know that your fish is dry properly. Because guess what? You're going to have to fry it first and then you're going to cook it down. So over here now I have some carrot, garlic cloves, tomato, ginger, onion, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper. You know we can't leave out the bad boy there. Scotch bonnet pepper. I have some assorted sweet peppers. Yeah. I'm going to use a little of that browning. Over here, I have scallion and pepper and pimento that I'm going to put in the oil. You know, we're going to spice up things. We'll spice up the thing first. Yeah. So I have some ketchup. And I also have some pimento over here that I'm going to use again. So yes, guys, let's get right into it. Come with me. So I preheat my oil. I'm going to dash in all of that, which is the scallion, the pimento, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. You don't know, we have spice up the oil because we want the fish to be spicy. All you guys who love brown stew, you don't know, say the thing if you have a little spice to it, a little sweet and, you know, a little sweet and spiciness. Yeah? So you want me guys, stay with me, don't go anywhere. Oil ready now. Yeah, how you know your oil is ready? You want to see some smoke, some you're not coming from the pot. Look at that. You all see that? So you know the oil is well hot, because guess what? You don't want to put the fish in the oil and the oil is not hot enough. If you do that, it's going to, the fish going to mash up. Basically fish are going to mash up, guys. Yeah, so you need the oil to be very hot. So look at that, you see some steam coming from that pot there. Yeah, so you want to know we're going to dash in our fish, and you don't know the pepper and the pimento and the garlic and scallion release that flavor already. So you know the fish is done flavored already and spicy. So we'll drop in some fish in the pot now. Yeah, so my fish is coming on nicely. Guys, the next thing you want to know that you properly brown your fish on each side. Yeah? Let each side brown properly before you remove it. You can give it 5 minutes on each side or until it is brown properly. So guys, after my fish has finished fried, remove the oil from the pot and I rinse out the pot, or should I say me wash out the pot. Then I use 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil in the pot. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add my seasoning to the pot. So I'm adding garlic, clove, tomato, ginger, my onion, scallion. Have some Scotch bonnet pepper over here. I'm adding that as well. My carrots, my assorted sweet pepper. Right? So I'm going to just saute that up for 2 minutes. I don't want my vegetables to be too mushy. So here you want to know, I'm gonna cover this and leave it to saute. So guys, I'm putting in my browning. So I don't just put the browning in the pot like that. I mix it out in a little water. Then I add it to the pot. I'm gonna go ahead now and add some ketchup. You know, we want all of this to be sauteed properly, not too mushy. As you guys know, I don't like when my vegetables cook out too much. You know, I like the crunchiness. So I'm gonna go ahead and pinch a little salt in it, a little garlic salt. But here's the pimento, putting that in as well. So I'm chopping in a little garlic salt, guys. So go ahead and taste your pot. Yeah, don't be afraid to taste your pot to make sure that it is alright. Sometimes, to tell you the truth, sometimes I don't taste my pot. I just go so boom, boom, bang, bang, and those, you know, everything does turn out nice and mushy. So here what now, we're going to cover this for a minute or two, and guess what, I'm going to roll in the fish in it. But here what, I'm going to pinch little fish seasoning, because I taste it and it tastes like you want a little something in it, so I dash a little fish seasoning in it. Yeah. You can also go ahead and use your cornstarch to get your gravy a little thick and nice and mushy. Yes, guys. So we're going to leave that for a minute or two. Booms. Fish is nicely fried, waiting to go in that nice, lovely bed of vegetable that I am preparing for it. Yup. So let's go over to the pot, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put my fish now in this nice lovely bed of vegetable here that I prepare for it, as I mentioned before. Yeah. Oh, my pot always going like it can't also. So the next thing I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to just scoop up some of that nice lovely gravy sauce. Yeah. So this is our brown stew fish, quick and easy, nice. So catch your back when I am going to plate it for you to see. There you have it, guys, our brown stew snapper fish. I'm going to dive into some of this right now.